and welcome to another video. I hope you guys are doing awesome today as I am. So it's morning and me and my son spend most of the morning hours actually taking wood from a location where they're cutting it down. As you can see, I'm sitting in the back of my van. Yeah, my van, which I use for everything to haul all kind of things. So in this video, I'm just giving you a quick little rundown of what we're doing today. Me and my son living out here on the homestead in the rural countryside is fantastic, guys. And I just want to show you guys how you can get some free wood. I make a video a couple of videos back where I talk about not buying wood for the first year and a half living here, and I just want to show you guys, like this year again, we're not buying any wood because we are just getting free wood. And as you can see, mosquito, go away. As you can see in the back of my van here, well, we almost done unloading it, me and my son. Just have a few big logs left. We've been just going back and forth for most of the morning collecting wood because the city is cutting down a lot of trees in our rural area, and we're just picking up the wood, and it's just all free. There's miles and miles of like road where they cut trees down, or trees kind of lean over wires, or they're just dead and the city's just going around and cut them down. So we're onto it. My husband saw them this morning early when he was leaving for work, and he called me and he says, okay guys, go collect wood. But my husband and I also went a couple of days ago and collected like 3 loads. And listen, you all, like you see this van here? Yeah, you drive a minivan. Yeah. This minivan is for our purpose, all kind of purpose, okay? It's not just fancy van, you all dressed up in your van driving around. This van has a purpose, okay? We don't think it's, all fancy. Don't get it all dirty. Look, this van goes through all kind of dirt, okay? Wood, all kind of things we pick up go in that van. We just put the seat down and put our top here, as you can see, down, and this van become a carrier van, okay? Like a pickup truck. We had this old van over here that you've seen. That was our pickup truck, this van here. Well, it broke down and it's done now. So we was gonna get another vehicle, but we're like, okay, we're gonna use this van for the same thing, and it's working amazing. So we're not this fancy people. Oh, we're not gonna put stuff in our van. And the good thing about this van is when you're done with it, you just wash it down, wipe it down, and it's good as new. Nobody know, oh my god, mosquito got me on my forehead. Some of these mosquitoes today. Nobody knows that you are carrying wood in there. But anyways, guys, I'm kind of ranting, right? Let me show you guys the wood that we've been chugging. This is our 4th load for the morning, okay? Do you see all this goodness here? Do you see all this goodness here? Yeah. Let me show you all the way over there. Do you see all that? This is a free wood. This is about 5, let me see, 3, 4. This is 7 loads of wood that we took in this little baby here, okay, in our minivan. 7 load of wood. And I'm gonna show you guys big loads of wood, and we don't have to buy any wood for this winter. And guys, we just started. Our goal this year is to not buy any wood for the next year and a half. All the wood that they cut this year, once we can carry it in our van, we will be logging this wood to our farm, and that's how we're going to be using for winter. Half of the wood is completely green, so they're not going to be ready for this year, and the next set of it is dry, and we saw a lot of more wood that is dry, and so we will definitely be going to get them. And yeah, that's what we'll be doing. So you all, let me tell you, if you want to live a sustainable, free life, this is the things that you got to do, okay? You can't have pride, and thing and say, oh, I'm not gonna mess up my van. Oh, I'm not gonna do this. Well, you can go buy wood. Wood is very expensive. Everything is expensive these days. If you can get something for free, just grab onto it. You know, we were picking up wood like I don't know around 7 o'clock this morning. We were out there, like we were out there because yesterday we saw some wood, and me and my husband was going to buy something, and then before we came back, it was all gone. I mean, all gone, and just when we finished doing what we were doing and we're like, okay, let's go get the wood, we saw this lady coming with a big old pickup thing and her van was full of wood with a chainsaw and everything. Like, she was faster than us. She was quick. She's one of the fast ones. So we lost that wood because she picked it up. You know what I mean? Everybody wants something free these days. Nobody wants to buy wood. One cord of wood is $149. $149. And one cord of wood is not like doing anything. You know what I mean? So right here now, I think we have like 8 or 9 cards because we had some other wood here too. So we have a lot of cards of wood for the winter. And we're not even like scratch the surface, as they say, as yet. So we're gonna have to do a lot of cutting, which is expected. You know what I mean? And we're gonna have to sort the wood out in the end. Put all the very green ones on one side, and then the very dry one on another side, and then we're gonna cover it with our tarp. So now this area is filled with wood. We're gonna set up another area on the other side, and we're gonna put pallets down and stack it up because this afternoon when my husband come, we're going back out there again and pick up another couple of load of wood. And so yeah, that's what we're doing. So y'all, let me tell you something. If you can get something for free, don't be trying to be like Mrs. Fancy Pansy down the road down there, okay? Don't want to mess up your car, okay? You just do what I do. Put your stuff in your van and put a top down. Mosquito, get away. And you just carry your stuff. So this is the way we get free wood and a lot of free things, okay? Let me show you something else free that we got. I have a lot of stuff on it because I just took out all these things from the back of my van. I keep this in the back of my van. So when I go shopping, my daughter's seat and stuff like that. But this is the, how do you call that? How do you call that, son? How do you call that? What's the name of that?
It's
A foosball table? Yeah. So my husband found this foosball table a couple of weeks ago. A couple of weeks ago.
football.
And we've been having so much fun playing this thing, like I tell you. It's so amazing. That's the first time I ever played something like that. But it's so nice. It's free of cost. Like, free of cost on the side of the road. Yeah, we put our seat down in our minivan. Again, put the top down. Put this baby in there. And now this is where it lives. And we come out here all the time. All of us, my husband and the kids. And we play this football game. All right, guys. So let me go and help my son finish the last set of wood. Let's find a spot to put it. Yeah. Enjoy the rest of the homestead, country living, free wood. Rest of the video. Guys, thanks for watching. Remember, you're beautiful. Say something positive to somebody today. Tell somebody you love them today. Okay? And if you're working somewhere, try not to be grumpy. Be positive, because sometimes we may be a little bit grumpy, and that person who we're grumpy to may be having such a bad day, and that could just throw the person over the edge. And we don't want to do that, because I think in this day and age where we live in, we just need so much positivity. We need so much love. We just need to envelope people in love, because so much things are happening. People just cannot cope. So I am telling you, you are beautiful, you're wonderful, and you're wonderfully made by the Most High God. And stay beautiful. And I am sending you positive vibe today. And all these mosquitoes, oh my gosh. God, why did you make mosquito? What purpose? What purpose does mosquito have, God? Okay, let me not question the Most High, okay? Mosquito have a purpose. Oh my goodness, but it gets me on my nerve. Anyways, let's get some lunch. Then we'll come back and do the rest of the video. All right, enjoy. So you all, now that I've eaten, and I'm all messy, never mind that, okay? My hands are dirty from picking up wood. and everything like that. I'm looking kind of ashy like, but that's on picking up wood. But anyways, we had a nice lunch, and now we're back out here to put the rest of the wood in, pile it up. I just want to say to you guys something. Now, I am gonna say this unapologetically. I am a big, big believer in the Most High. My whole life revolved around serving the Most High and His Son. Okay, so I so strongly believe in faith, and I believe that the Most High provides for us every single day. We just have to be patient and wait. Sometimes we're impatient and we can't wait for things, so we don't get things. And I'm saying that because, I mean, look at all the wood that we have here. And there's so much more out there that we're going to go collect later. And I mean, for the rest of the week, we'll be collecting wood because there's so much out there to pick up. But I just want to say that if you trust in the Most High and you believe in Him, He will give you everything that you desire, that you need for you and your family, and you wouldn't have to worry about it. Because, I mean, winter is, far away. December, it's winter. And look, we have the wood from now. The Most High knows everything that we need, and He will provide it for you. So, friends, just be patient and wait on the Most High. And just remember that while you wait for Him, or when you want things from the Most High, you need to be living in righteousness. And once you live in righteousness and holiness, and the Most High is pleased with you, He's going to give you the desires of your heart and what you need. So we're living on His homestead, on this land here. And my husband always say, don't worry about stuff. Don't fret about things, because the Most High is going to give you exactly what you need. So I just thought I'll just put that out there for you guys who, need things or don't have things, and you're struggling and you're thinking like, where am I going to get the money? Where am I going to get this? Where am I going to get that? Believe in the Most High, live in righteousness, and He will provide it for you. So let's get back to piling up wood. Okay. Okay, y'all. So we are done. This is all the wood. So wood pile. It's quite a lot. have this amazing wood pile. And then we have another amazing pile here. So yeah, that's a lot of wood. All free of cost.